Where's that guy?
Chinese shrimp,
Oh shoot, I'm stuck.
Serious right now, bro.
Can you not tag me?
Why?
Can you not?
To buckle my shit. I will tag doing evil.
Not to tag me.
Ow! I banged my neck. Oh!
Everyone in the server is dog.
Besides me. Besides me. Oh shoot, he's coming.
I tagged
Lol.
Oh, bro.
How did I miss that? What? That was a very goofy move. Do not.
I'm gonna be camping.
Get out of here.
I don't know why, but I want to camp.
How do you go so fast?
Oh my god. These ads are so gay.
Ah!
Hi.
You gave me a heart attack. What? What?
Oh my god, I hit. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's tag delay.
Hello.
You guys, get black. He's a black. That's kind of racist. Bye. That's racist.
I'm hanging myself right now like a tree branch. Wait.
That's a toxic kid.
Bro, what do you mean?
You're being toxic.
Wait. Don't hurt me. Hey, Toast. You buckle my shit. 3, 4. You buckle. How do I? I can't do that. Bro, I get so many good runs. Oh, what am I? I'm stuck.
What? Hard to.
I'm stuck. No.
Please don't tag me. I have one arm. Please.
I'm British.
And this is my left arm, and I'm not left. I'm a right. Oh, please give me respect.
Oh, she has to work after. Also, Nemo.
Be at my knees.
Just look back from
Please don't tag me. Yeah. I'm joking. Get off.